Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 5-pack Matchbox construction site vehicles. It's a 70-year anniversary. I think that's 2023. We have the backhoe, the turf hauler, the roller, and the Silverado 1500 along with the road scraper. Very cool. I'm going to keep that nearby so I can read them again. Got my construction site all set up. That is a Hot Wheels construction site. Let me see what I can show you on that. This is the box for that. Pretty cool. Good stuff right here. And let's get this open. Nice. Start off with the backhoe. We have the backhoe. No moving parts in the back. No. Oh, it does move in the front, but the back does not move. Made in, I would say Thailand, probably. I'm sure it says it somewhere. We'll figure it out. Alright, next one will be the turf hauler. Looks like a dump truck to me. Made in Thailand. The dump moves. So 2 moving parts now. But this one has a moving part. And this one has a moving part. Let's see. We have the road roller. Used to call this steamroller when I was a kid. Now it's a road roller. So far, the yellow is what's metal. Except for this right here. That is not metal. Everything's plastic except for that on this one. And those metal is yellow. Alright, here we go again. This one's the Chevy Silverado. All 4 wheels roll well. This is going to be a nice addition to my construction site. And now we have the road scraper. No moving parts here. And the dark, oh, it's orange this time. That's all metal. Looks like some of the paint didn't even come out. See it in the corner there? Plastic bottom. All the black is plastic. Oh, it moves. So moving parts and everything except for the Silverado. Woo! And they fit on the track too. Nice. That was a little tough. Whoa! Oh. Still an awesome set though. Don't care about the drifting or anything like that. I just want to play with them with my construction site. Like, yeah! We can go up in here. Nice! Will I do that with this? That is just too cool. Too cool for words. Bring this up here. Go right there. This can go on that lift. Alright, let's try one more. I love it. Too cool for school. Thanks everybody for tuning in and checking this out. I love it. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Hit that like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think of this. This 5-pack, this Matchbox 5-pack by Mattel. Cool construction site by Hot Wheels. That is old school stuff. That is from, let's see what year we have here, 1982. Thanks so much. Please subscribe. And until next time, T10 out.